Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your treadmill is squeaking and how to stop the sound. Let's get started. A lack of lubrication. Excess friction between the running deck and the belt prevents the belt from running smoothly and leads to a squeaking noise. This friction can also make the belt stop or slow down when you step on it. Therefore, get a silicone-based lubricant and spread it evenly around the treadmill to eliminate the noise. The belt is not adjusted correctly. This noise may be a result of a belt that's too loose or too tight. If it's too tight, loosen it. You can fix this issue by ensuring that the distance between the belt and the board is small. Also, take time to tighten the screws and bolts on the treadmill. The treadmill is uneven. When the treadmill is uneven, it tends to flex more than it should. This can lead to squeaking from the frame as you walk on it. Keep the treadmill level. You can even try lifting the incline function and check whether the treadmill is even. Dirt. Accumulation of dust and dirt disrupts the function of the motor and leads to this noise. If your treadmill is on a carpet, it can build up dirt quickly. You should therefore clean the motor and other moving parts to get rid of the squeaking. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.